Do you love surprises as much as I love surprises? I am Pat Sloan and I am unboxing some fun goodies from the Fat Quarter Shop. This is video number 3. I have 4 total. I'll link down there to number 1 and number 2. They have brand new shipping boxes. They're so cute. So let me show you real quick. Here they are. 4 different colors, 4 different sizes. So it will depend on what your order is, what box it fits into, just like any other order you get. So you might get one of these when next time you order. So I've done the gray and the blue box. Now I'm on to the pink, which is written on the side is so in love. That is definitely us, right? So in love with fun things for quilting. Here's the side of the box. They're just so cute. You'll be able to store all your goodies in here, store your projects. These are excellent for storing projects. If you have thread collections or other kinds of collections, you could put your charm packs in here, whatever. So let's take a look. I have always loved boxes. I've always loved getting boxes. Here we go, reveal, ta-da! Oh, so exciting. Fabric. Oh my goodness. And I see something super special in my box. Okay, we have to go to that first. Look what they sent. They sent a copy of Splendid Sampler 2. This is just out. You'll be able to order and sew along with us. Yay! It's the book that I wrote with my buddy Jane. So they have copies and you'll be able to sew along with us. So excited. Okay, what else is in here? Let's look at the books first. So that's book number 1 here. Oh, this is a magazine. This is a great magazine. You know, I work with American Patchwork and Quilting magazine for my podcast. This is a Christmas edition that is out. Look at that pillow. Look at that. This is fabulous. So fabulous. And look how darling she is. So inside are tons and tons of projects. Here's actually a scan of them. As you can see, look at the snowman. Look at the advent. There's a cute present project. Yeah. This is definitely, if you don't have this one, this is like the best of the best projects. Oh, these are fantastic. These pockets, see here, little gift card pockets. And look. Okay, so I'm just so excited. I'm so excited they sent my book. Yay! You know, Kimberly Jolly of the Fat Quarter Shop was in book number 1, Splendid Sampler 1, and they carry that too. So. Next up, let's look at the fabric we got. Awesome. Charm packs. Charm packs are my fave. So here's 2 charm packs, and one is solids and one is from my friend Sherry and Chelsea. Chelsea Stratton is in our Splendid Sampler 2 book. Chelsea has a block in here, and Sherry McConnell had a block in Splendid Sampler 1. They're fabulous designers. I just love them so much. So the charm packs are great because with 5-inch squares, there's a zillion projects out there, and the new, they're kind of newish now. The papers, these papers are what you can sew with these squares. So they're called recipes. Miss Rosie's, Carrie Nelson of Miss Rosie's came up with all these cool papers, but you can see this one has a pattern for 3 different blocks. So you're going to sew on the papers with the charm packs, and then you'll end up taking the paper off. But it makes these blocks, and it's fun. They're just so fun to do. Mix and match, and you can do different quilts with them. So fabulous. I know I collect charm packs. I just like, they look really nice stacked up too. Okay, the last package is a sure thing. So these are Batik. So all of you who love Batiks, I'm gonna get them out of the bag. So it has this, these are from Wilmington, and I think the colors are amazing. Look at the, I love this peachy. So it's not orange. It's kind of peachy with gold tones and then this sort of sand color. Well, that's more like the yellow, and then the blues, and then aqua. Like, I'm looking at it and I'm not showing you, am I? Let me sorry about that. Let me pull it down here. That way we can both look at the same time, a little easier. So then we have like these aqua colors, and then this is more the sand color. Now these are fat quarters, yeah. So this whole package is fat quarters called the shore thing, because it looks like, I think it looks beachy. I just love this peach color. This is fabulous. So cool. Okay. So on this grouping, which this goodie box, I've got batiks, I've got charm packs to use, so I can just use this. You know, like they sent me something I can actually make right away. Yay! Just like when you order, get everything you need. And then my book. And a fabulous Christmas edition from American Patchwork, Better Homes and Gardens, American Patchwork. You absolutely have to have this one. It's got the best. I will link everything up so that you can go right to that. And I'll link over to boxing 1 and boxing 2, since this is boxing number 3. Or unboxing, as the case may be. I am Pat Sloan. You can visit with me at Quilt Along with Pat Sloan at Facebook. Find me at patsloan.com on my website. And I'll see you in unboxing number 4.